Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our respected lecturer, Mr. Muhammad Shukri bin Abdul Manaf. Today, my friend and my team will present about our PLC project. The title of our project is Automate Coffee Maker System. These are my team members: Muhammad Afzal bin Muhammad Bakri, Muhammad Hafiz Daniel bin Zamri, me myself, Muhammad Badrun bin Muhammad Aniza, and Safiyat Hussain Tamoy. So next, we are going to present the problem statement. Brewing, setting, and lack of standardization often affect coffee flavor, customer satisfaction, and brand image. Stockout disrupt operation also affected. To improve coffee shop and customer experience, advanced technology and automation are needed to ensure consistent texture, faster order fulfillment, and efficient stock management.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Badrun. I will present about the literature review. So, automated coffee maker system have gained significant popularity in recent years due to their convenience and ability to deliver consistent and high quality coffee. This literature review aims to provide an overview of the existing research and advancement in automated coffee maker system. For example, a smart coffee maker system has been proposed by Maharaja Kamatachi to improve the quality of hot beverage, reduce minimal mistakes, and reduce the amount of space required for setup. Next, we will talk about the design statement. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages consumed in the world and has become an integral part of various cultures and societies. Baristas play a crucial role in the coffee industry. There can be some potential disadvantages associated with barista-made coffee. This led to several problems, including inconsistency, time, and wait time. The skill and experience can vary for each baristas, resulting in variation in the final cup of coffee. As a result, there is a pressing need to implement a PLC-based automated coffee maker system to deliver a perfect cup of coffee, milk and coffee milk with convenience, precision, and versatility in its delivery to address these issues. Here are few possible system features for PLC based on early automated coffee maker system. One of the system features is integrated multiple options. The system offers multiple options for users. Users can choose whether they want coffee milk or coffee milk depending on their desired taste. And second, stock of material monitoring. The automated coffee maker has a stock of material monitoring systems. It keeps track of the sugar, coffee, and milk and provides an alert when it's time to refill, ensuring continuous supply of stock. And this is our system architecture. We can see we have the glass button, coffee button, milk button, coffee milk button, and hot water button for the input. And for the output, we have sugar station, coffee station, milk station, hot water station, and mixer station.
Good day everyone, I am Shafat Tanmoy. Let's explain the innovative methodology of our PLC based automated coffee maker system. The system begins in the initial state, actively monitoring beverage sold and ingredient stock level. Once activated, the system readies for beverage selection, where customers can choose coffee, milk, or mixed beverage. This triggers the preparation process. The preparation includes dispensing sequence. First, dispensing sugar. When the glass reaches sensor 2's position, the coffee or milk dispensing at sensor 3 position, depending on the selected beverage. Following ingredients dispensing, the system adds hot water at sensor 5 position with an expectation for black coffee, while milk dispensing is skipped. Currently, our system continually monitors ingredients level, raising a stock warning alert if any ingredient stock falls below a certain level. Upon beverage completion, the system reaches the final state where it's reset for the next order while continuously tracking beverage sales and ingredients level. Our PLC-based system marries advanced technology with a user-friendly interface to provide an efficient customer-centered service. The technology revolutionize our coffee making process, ensuring top quality coffee every time. Thank you.
My name Muhammad Afzal and I will present about the ladder diagram. So we can see this ladder diagram, but it is short before the all of the ladder diagram. So first we can put the button start and button stop, and after the button start and button stop, we can go to the button coffee, button made, and button the coffee made. So button coffee, when we put the button coffee, we'll go to the coffee processing when and this made processing, and this for the coffee processing. When we put another, we choose the coffee or made or coffee made, we go to the next step is we want to go to conveyor, we want to run the conveyor. If we press the button coffee, the coffee processing we running, and we go to the run the conveyor. This for timer sugar, coffee timer, made timer, and this timer want to the conveyor stop at the sensor of the sugar. This for the conveyor off, like I said before, when the conveyor running and the timer, the sensor of the sugar detect the glass, it will be the stop, and then after sugar, coffee made. So this related to the what we choose coffee or made or coffee made. So after this for the conveyor, this the conveyor off. So we go to the next is this for the conveyor timer. So for this when we put the conveyor, this for the sugar, when the sugar will the recording, I do the coffee or coffee made. When we put made, the sugar not, the conveyor not running at the sugar, it go the through. For this timer of the sugar, for the coffee, the made not use the coffee like that. But if made, the sugar not running at this. The coffee not running at the made. So we go to the next. This like a timer, but I just put 3 only. We have our hot water, we have a mixer, and we have a sensor done. Go to the next step is a conveyor. Let conveyor running. So we put the counter. For this counter, the counter we increment. The first counter go to the second counter, that the sugar S2, we can see before S2 mean sugar. We can stop this conveyor. So the conveyor D0, we go to the D1, after to go to the D2, after that go to the 3, after that go until the conveyor go to the D6. That mean the sensor off done. After that, after this, we want to get the counter of the coffee counter. We want to calculate the counter. We want to calculate the soul of the counter at the day. So this coding for the coffee, this coding for the made, this coding for the coffee made. And this counter we run, and we want to get the value of the counter. So we go to the this for the let the counter, but this for sugar use at the counter. This we solve the problem of the stock management. We want to the stock management we smooth. So this sugar, this coffee, this made. So we can see lah this coding. Therefore, and after the sugar, sugar has done, need to refill the button of warming on, button of coffee on, button of milk warming on. So just that for the ladder diagram. So we want to see the SCADA. For the SCADA, this is sales management, coffee made or coffee made. So and under that, this is stock management, sugar, coffee or made. We want to calculate this. We want to see the total sale of the day in a month because we want to calculate the profit and under that. This for the if for the sale management, this the stock management. This SCADA system is more easier for me for we want to running the coffee.
Here is our visualization of the system. This is the control panel area which consisting of buttons. This is the customer option area which consisting of the option of the coffee milk and coffee milk. This is our whole system. We have sugar station, coffee station, milk, hot water mixer and done status station. Here is the HMI which include the sold coffee and the stock warning counter. As for now, we are going to start our system. We are going push button start. We need to supply hot water. We need to supply glass. Then, if I chose milk, it will move the conveyor to the first station which is milk. Then, it will move to the hot water and then we'll move to the mixer, then done. As we all can see, the milk sold counter is increasing by 1. So this is the counter, so we can for the day we can know how many our drink sold. So as for now, there is no sugar left in the machine, so the sugar light will sugar indicator light will appear. So as a workers, we need to top up the sugar. So that is our system. So as a conclusion, the automated coffee maker system is an advanced and automated solution that makes coffee preparation easier and more efficient. With this system, coffee is brewed consistently and high quality. Users can customize their coffee preference, and coffee shops can monitor their supply in real time, anytime. Overall, the automated coffee maker system improves the coffee experience. That's all from us. Thank you.